So yeah, about the story there about Dominic James, it definitely rests pan my heart. I feel away, I vex. I don't know why I vex, but it's like I don't think no young youth, no young person with like potential and with them hopes and dreams and actually I work towards it for just get cut short just so I just not understand it. And then you have some old criminal, some old wicked, dirty, stinking piece of grass is just up on the road. And then just live on a galang so. The world in a level. The world definitely in a level. When I see the brother there, I just picture me at the age there with my hope and say, yo, I want to have my own talk show, I want to do this and I want to do that. And just the thought of imagining something that if they get for really see certain things come to reality, it hurt me. Me I hear saying is the only child. You get me, the only child for him parents. How them I feel right now. How the George's family, how Neville I feel. How him friends them, him colleagues, him teacher them. How them I go deal with it. How the rest of it, how the team I go carry on for the rest of the season. This is not something like the man just there in my yard and pass out. The man upon the field I do what him meant to do, him destined to do. And just get cut down like that. What is life? What really is life? What would they on the earth for? When I sit down and I look on the brother there, shit down ball. When I sit down and I look on the youth there, I see the hopes and dreams of millions of people across Jamaica. But if there is to be anything positive out of this, I just say, young people, maybe now when we take heed and pre certain things, time not there for waste. If you have the desire and the potential, the gift to do something, launch out and do it. Don't bother say, yo, I'm gonna wait until whatever. If you feel say you can sing from now, go join the choir. If you feel like you can dance, go and go enter some JCDC competition, something. If you feel say you can't, go and go to drama. But start it from now because the way all the life thing you're set, nothing guaranteed. Me not guaranteed for even done look on the video and upload it. You not guaranteed for done watch the video in a one piece. Me not understand. Me not question God about them little things there because me question him for my own time. But it's just certain things about the world you just not understand. I don't say everything happen for a reason, but boy, there's something just rough. Somebody on the verge of so much success. So many doors could have opened up for this youth. And him never get a chance to live it in a way or him would want to live it. That hurt me. Come I tell you a thing, I tell you say, there's time in my life when things get very low and very dark. I'm not suicidal, but I actually pray it. And the thing that take me out of the state there was the fact say, I have a dream or something what me want to do. So I develop my passion very late. But once I find it, I just go for it. And I can't imagine me have a goal for myself and when me see that, when me see the thing that will reach to you just out of the blue, so me have to wonder like, me know when you pass on I can feel, but like how me I feel for know say, me have the particular goal there and things just get cut short, I'm gonna live to make it a reality. I start to wonder what me can do from now to make sure so I speed up the process. I'm not gonna waste no time no more longer, but all I'm gonna say just pray. When I'm younger, my mother always start about saying, you must thank God for every day when you wake up, when you reach a school, you have to thank Him. And when you go to your bed, you have to thank Him because you never know. And the older I get is the more the little something there is being proven to be very true. Some random, unexpected things happen here, and you have to just breathe as part of life. So to anybody who watch this, just tell the people that want to say I love them. Pray for me as well. You know, cause the little girl in my thoughts as well. And all the burritos, them just take care and be safe. And anything you want to achieve and you want to go for it, just do it from now. No matter itch, no matter wait. Cause you never know. Alright? Peace out.
What? So this one tough. This one tough.
And how is the rest of the team?
We're not good right now. We're going back to school. The chairman of the board is a priest, and he teaches these kids. So he had a chat with them. The Excelsior team again, they came out with us, and we all said a prayer. So he's an only child. I have no idea what his mom and his dad are going through right now, and that's my concern now. I pray that they are fine. I know that he's fine. I know that he's close to the Creator. That's all I could ask. But this has never happened to me before, and to be honest, I'm not certain how to deal with this one. This one tough. This one really tough. Hopefully we will bounce back. I think we still have a season to play.
When I leave this world, I'll leave no regrets. Leave something to remember, so they won't forget I was here. I lived, I loved, I was here. I did, I've done.